Hello friends, welcome to the new video of react.js. So today we are going to learn about how to pass the values from one component and how to get that value in that component with the help of the props. Let's start this video. I will give you the real quick. Okay, so first of all I will going to create a new project. So give me a second. I'm going to create a new project, react projects. Open terminal, paste this test project. So it will create test project because npm naming restrictions. Name can no longer be contain capital letters. Okay, so I'm going to add test. Okay, it will create my everything. Give me the full-fledged react app. Okay, so this is done. You can see that we can start the app with the npm start. Okay, need to go to the project, then npm start. Okay, so you can see that the dummy, you can say, the project is running. Okay, so let's open this project with the help of the vs code. So I'm going to add code. It's opening the project in the vs code now. So where is the project? Test project is this is the source. There is the app.js default one, right? So I'm going to clean this one header part. I don't require it. Okay, so this is the clean version. So here I'm going to add a component. So I will create a new component here. So I will add a new file, uh, test.js. So I'm going to write the code over here like this one. Basically I'm dealing with the class component. Okay, so test extends this one, and I'm going to use this function over here. So I'm going to import that one, import. Okay, so I'm going to add a test from. This is the test. Okay, this is the test component. You can see that I can hover it. I'm going to this one, test is this one. Okay, so I'm going to use this component here. So I'm going to add this test with this places. Okay, so whenever I load this app with the npm start, so whatever in the test component it will show. Okay, export default imported as the test was not found. Okay, so I think we have done something mistake. So we haven't add export default. Let me check this one, test one app. So we have to add this one. You can also add here also export default test. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. I'm going to rerun this and see that title and description is coming correct. Now question is adding the props. Okay, how to bypass the data from one to another to this component. Okay, so we have app.js. So here I'm going to add, you can say, data equal to, I'm going to add test. Okay, data is a test. So how to get this one from the another one? So this is our component. Okay, so here I need to get it with the help of this basis. Okay, and here I'm going to add this dot props dot data is there, right? So I'm going to save this and I'm going to rerun this, and you will see that test is coming. So what I have done is, in this one I have bypassed the data test. I can also bypass another things. You can the title I can pass title. It should be like, I can pass here hello world. Okay, and in the test.js I can just console this one with every value. I can get it with the help of this dot props. So this is this dot props dot title we have, Okay, if I'm going to reload this one, hello world. Okay, so this is how the components are interacting. You can see in the app.js whatever data I'm passing it. So suppose you have the data in another component and you are getting all the values in the prop, so then you can pass it like this way in any of the component and you will get it with the help of the this dot props dot data. Okay, so I hope you clear on this, how clear on this, like how to bypass the data from one component with the help of props and use it in that component. Okay, so any issue, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.